episode 8.
Number 8. Welcome to episode 8. Let me fill you in on what's happening. See these seats? Can you see the seats? The seats are no good. I went to get the registration and I was told that this is a 15-seater.
Not
It's
anymore.
classified as a bus, so I couldn't get a registration. So I'm getting an engineer certificate and I have to get the van re-engineered. It's very expensive. But I'm doing what the engineer told me to do, take the seats out, blah, blah, blah. While I'm there, I'm taking the air conditioning unit out. If you guys want an air conditioning unit, it's very good condition. Look at this air conditioning unit. It'll go in a bus or caravan. Give you a good price. Otherwise, we're here. I'm pulling out the ceiling because it's heavy and it's made out of sheet metal. We do not need it. But yeah, these seats have come out. Yeah, that's all I can really share at the moment. Oh, we get to take the stickers off and the little break glass for emergency hammers.
What's that?
The copper pipe for the old air conditioner.
And how long have you been wrestling with it for?
I don't know, 2 hours now. The whole the air conditioner is out. Okay. Hey! Hey!
Hey!
What would you like to tell the people?
We're looking for paint.
What type of paint?
Car paint.
Okay, we're going to a car paint shop.
And it's full paint.
It's like a truck line, like with the Raptor stuff, you know, same stuff.
Here we go.
Here we go. Ta-da! There's this very strange things called systems and governments, and they make us pay all these thousands of dollars every year for, anyway, what's happening. So you got to play the game, so this is what I did, and finally we have this thing registered, and now it's apparently safe. Stuff is happening. We got new plates. We got plates. And not any old plate, we got the classic plate. The black and the white. See? He's remembering. It's coming out.
So now I'm not going to say anything.
Don't follow me. Follow me.
Wow. And that's the last of our chairs.
Not the last, we got
We've got a few more.
a few more.